on a swing, and it's really cold outside, but I wanted to take a walk to get out of the house, get some fresh air, instead of sitting on my laptop all day. Yeah, it's raining outside too. Didn't know that when I started walking, but oh well. Not much to say. I'm here at this park. Probably one of my favorite parks is this was the first place I went on an actual date with a girl. And I had my first kiss right up there on that slide I just showed you. In case y'all wanted to know that. I know I haven't been doing very good at keeping up with the I'm gonna try to get better. I don't have an excuse since I've been off school for a week now and haven't been doing anything. Putting the camera down because there's a car driving by. Don't want to look crazy. Even though I am. I'm the only person outside in this weather, but, you know. So I promise I'm going to try to do way better at the vlog because I suck right now. But yeah, it's kind of cold, so I'm going to put my phone away so it doesn't die in this rain. So, promise I'll get better, everyone. See ya.